Hey everyone, it's Jesse. Wanted to do a quick video on ActiveCampaign's new email designer and new email builder. So ActiveCampaign is the top email automation, sales, CRM, also just overall customer experience. It allows you to really take a lot of the manual aspects of running a business out and automating that while still having the human touch and following up when necessary, and also has so many integrations. You can integrate with Calendly, you can integrate with thousands and thousands of tools. Many have API integration, many have Zapier integration, but this is quick. I wanted to share a campaign I'm sending in my own business and just how easy it is to build. You have templates and you can just literally um, upload pictures, and it's just literally just drag and drop. We have a YouTube video here which goes to YouTube and it's automatically tracking clicks. And then also a new feature of the uh, email designer is the countdown timer. So, having a sense of urgency and an immediate call to action if you have a promo which is expiring, you definitely want to have that in your emails. And there's very few email builders that have that from what we've seen. So this looks good. So we're just going to hit next, and then we'll send it out. So if you want to try ActiveCampaign free trial, click the link below, and everything looks good. So we have a segment we're sending this to. So we'll just hit send now, send campaign now. So this is just a single send campaign. You can obviously do automations, which we talk about in other videos. And if we want to do that, we can definitely add that template to the campaigns. So again, if you want an awesome email builder, email designer, check out the link below. No credit card required for your free trial. Just literally just put your email, activate your account, try it out. And the ActiveCampaign support team is excellent. Depending on the plan that you have, they'll import your contacts, say from MailChimp or from Constant Contact for free and get you all set up. Also one-to-one calls, monthly one-to-one calls, depending on the plan that you have. And also you can have a lot of users on the plan as well. So you're getting a lot of value for the price that you're paying. And if you become a paying customer after your free trial via our link, we do get a commission which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So definitely click the link below and put in comments if you have experience with ActiveCampaign, what you think of the new email designer, and looking forward to getting your thoughts, and hopefully you guys can try out ActiveCampaign to help drive your business forward. Take care.